Subscribe to RA Solutions by clicking on the subscribe button and clicking on the bell icon to receive notifications. Hello there, welcome to another video by RA Solutions. Now obviously my YouTube channel is relatively new, RA Solutions. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel. And one thing I wanted to talk about today is an extension for YouTube called Tubebuddy. Now obviously in terms of this video today, I'm going to tell you what Tubebuddy is and how it works for YouTube and how it will help you grow your YouTube channel. And since I've had Tubebuddy, my YouTube channel has grown from 300 subscribers from in the last 2 weeks to over 900 subscribers, because I've been following the tips and tricks that they have been putting onto their Tubebuddy website, and they have personalized some tips for me for my YouTube channel. I'm just following those tips and tricks for me. Go into the feature section here, you notice there's quite a few options. Under productivity, there's advanced video embedding. In it you can see all the different things you can do with Tubebuddy, fantastic things. Bulk processing, there's lots of other things you can do. Again, one of the things I mentioned was bulk thumbnail overlays, video SEO, so your videos stand out from the others, promotions you can do, lots of different things. But the other thing I wanted to hover over is the pricing. Now in terms of the pricing for YouTube, I've got the Pro account here and I'm paying $9 a month, and for that $9 a month you can see below you've got the free option, you've got the Pro, Star and Legend. The Pro, you get upload checklists all the way down to the end screen templates, and that's what, or undercard templates actually, and those are the different things that I can do on Tubebuddy, which has basically helped me with my own YouTube channel. Like I said, my YouTube channel in the last 2 weeks has grown. I've gained over 500 subscribers, and I've been doing the same YouTube videos, you know, tutorials, tips, tricks. I've not changed much, but obviously what I have changed is in terms of the tags, what I've been using. My end screen templates have now in a better formation, better links than its own thumbnail generator, which you can use. You know, and also at times, you know, when you are using YouTube without any other extensions, it can be a lengthy process for any YouTube vloggers, obviously. And that being said, there's something, you know, like this Tubebuddy. There are also others out there, but I think this one is the best one to use, which is solely dedicated for helping, you know, you save time in completing essential tasks required to grow your YouTube channel. Like I said, mine's grown in the last 2 weeks. I've got over 500 more subscribers than I had before. The concept's very simple, it's very cool. There's like a wizard once you've uploaded your video onto YouTube, and it'll take you through the wizard, telling you what sort of things have you thought about, have you added different features to your YouTube channel, like your end screen templates, like your card templates, like a thumbnail, you know, image, like tags, which are extremely important if you want viewers to search and see your web YouTube video on there. So let me just take you through some of the other features. If you go to my account, I've already got my account open here. I've got, like I say, I've got the Pro version. Sorry, my internet's been a bit slow at the moment. But I just wanted to take you to the main page. This is the main dashboard, and here you get a health report, launchpad, and a few options which are available to me. But on the right side you can see the integration. I've integrated it with Twitter, my Facebook page, Patreon, Social Blue and Tubebuddy mobile. And if I click on the health report, it tells you more specific information about my website in terms of how many views, how many subscribers, how many uploads, in terms of the performance of my channel last 30 days since I've been using Tubebuddy. Again, in terms of the source of my traffic, where am I getting my traffic from, what videos are being the most popular ones in the last 30 days, related videos, websites, again Google searches and test.com have been the two most popular ones for accessing my YouTube videos. In terms of the devices here, quite a few people accessing via mobile, regions, quite a few from the UK, and so on and so forth. In terms of engagement, there's a bit of engagement thing there as well. If I go back, if I click on the Launchpad section, I just wanted to show you with the Pro license what sort of facilities you are getting with Tubebuddy. So here we go, these are my videos, and it gives you checklists and see whether you've met each of the checklists, and I've obviously met 10 out of 10 in all the different things it's asking me to check there. So obviously I've not uploaded anything today, so it's not going to give me anything back. If you haven't already done so, go to tubebuddy.com. You can access it via my website, my YouTube channel. So if I pause that, top right hand corner under my channel art here, if you click on this link here, I'd like to get some recognition as well. So if you click on that, it will take you to the Tubebuddy page. You can sign up and see what Tubebuddy can do for you. Also, if I go back to my YouTube channel, there's Channelytics. It will add the extension onto your YouTube channel there. So if I click on there, it will give me quick analytical information for my YouTube channel, and you can see since I've been using Tubebuddy how my YouTube channel activity on my YouTube channel has gone up. So that's basically what I'm saying. It's going to help you in terms of your YouTube channel. If I click on the Tubebuddy icon here, there's lots of different things you can see, lots of different tools. Keyword Explorer, if I go to Keyword Explorer, you can, let me just explore for RA solutions, and it will tell me how popular that keyword is, if it's a good keyword to use, and it will compare it to other keywords out there, so which people have been searching, which have got them to come to my website. I keep saying website, I mean channel. So that's really a quick and easy video showing you the benefits of Tubebuddy, how it will help you save time, how it will generate thumbnail images for you, how it will generate end screen templates for you, give you advice, gives you wizards that you can run through, give you a checklist to go through when you're uploading videos, and obviously time is money as well at the end of the day. Hope this video has helped you. Please like, subscribe and share.